In the sugarcane producing district of Uttar Pradesh's Saharanpur, the majority of villagers are primitive, as are many areas of India. Most of the population here is illiterate. Agriculture and the raising of livestock continue to be the main source of their livelihood. The population of these rural areas are dominated by members of the Muslim community, and women suffer the most from lack of opportunities. According to India's Planning Commission, 60% of all Muslim girls are married by the age of 17, and only 1 in every 10 Muslim women is ever employed. Education for girls has remained an elusive dream, and the achievement of economic independence is almost unheard of. Born in Rampur, Maniharan, a small village near Saharanpur, Vinod Gupta overcame tremendous challenges to secure a world-class education and went on to become a multi-millionaire entrepreneur in the United States. In a generous move to give back to the people of the area, Gupta established and funded a campus with 3 well-equipped educational institutions near the village of his birth, investing more than $25 million to develop the required infrastructure. Today, every young student here nurtures the dream of emulating him. Named after his mother, Ramrati Gupta, the Ramrati Institute of Technology offers courses of study in computer applications like web design, including a postgraduate diploma program in information technology. The institute also offers diverse areas of study such as advertising and public relations, customer service, and sales and marketing management.
We have a special course after 12th that is called Modern Office Management and Secretarial Practice. This course compiles of various computer-based education and basic accounting, basic communication skill and all this, so that person can work in any organization.
The diploma course in fashion design and garment technology is a much sought after program at the school and has tremendous employment potential.
वीविंग करते हैं तो हमारा जो ये वेस्ट थ्रेड होगा, ये जो वेस्ट थ्रेड हमारा अपनी प्रोसेसिंग कंप्लीट करेगा तो रीड से हमारा ये सारे थ्रेड एक साथ आ जाते हैं। शटल को हम यहाँ से ऐसे प्रेस करते हैं तो ये जब शेड बनता है तो शटल इसमें पास हो जाती है।
उठाने के बाद इसमें यही पेंट जो आपने अपनी स्क्रीन पे बनाया है वो सेम प्रिंट इस पे आ जाएगा। इसको हम स्क्रीन पेंटिंग बोलते हैं।
fascinated by Vinod Gupta's plan for revolutionizing education and empowering rural underprivileged youth to gain a foothold in the job sector, US President Bill Clinton visited the village during an official tour in 1998. President Clinton was clearly impressed with what he saw.
I am very grateful to my friend, Mr. Gupta, for giving this gift to his village and naming it after me.
When I was there with President Clinton in my village, and when we were walking, and there was this guy selling vegetables on the sidewalk, and he called my name, and I didn't know who he was, and then he said, "Do you remember I went to school with you?" And he was selling vegetables. And I told President Clinton, I said, "Look, I could have been selling vegetables here. But it's because of education that some of us could get out of the village. Not everybody could get out. But I would like to see more and more children in the village, and especially the girls, get the quality education so they can get out of the village and improve their lives,
यहाँ पे हमारे पास उनके लिए एक सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरी है जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स को सर्कुलेशन सर्विस, रेफरेंस सर्विस, ओपैक की सर्विस, ये सारी सर्विसेज हम प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, जिसमें 80 स्टूडेंट्स हैं। हमारे फर्स्ट और सेकंड बैच को रिलेटेड 80 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जिसमें हम सारे स्टूडेंट्स का सर्कुलेशन टाइम टू टाइम उन्हें 7 to 8 डेज़ के लिए सर्कुलेट होती हैं, जिसमें वो सारी रेफरेंस बुक्स और सारी सब्जेक्टिव बुक्स, मैगजीन्स और ओल्ड प्रोजेक्ट इवन वो भी आप स्टूडेंट्स सेकेंड ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो फर्स्ट ईयर वाले उसे इशू करा के अपने असाइनमेंट को कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं।
The Bill Clinton School offers primary, secondary, and higher secondary education. It offers a contrast to the poor quality government education in the region. Parents consider themselves fortunate to have access to educational facilities which will foster the all-round development of the children.
Join your hands and close your eyes. Step.
At present, our strength is 536 and the admissions they are given first come, first get, and more and more admissions are coming. But to give the better education, good education and quality education, we are taking limited admissions, and the needy one and the poor one, they are given preference, so that the poor people of this area can get better education, and they can go to different fields, different areas after getting the education.
Students are taught with the assistance of modern teaching aids and even have access to online educational resources. The quality of education available here is on par with that found in some of the best educational institutions of urban areas.
Different places in the world experience different forests are covered with snow throughout the year. Taking note of this fact, we can define the climate of a place as the average weather condition over a long period of time. What is there a difference in climate from region to region?
Moreover, in order to ensure good health of students, nutritional diet is provided by giving free lunch twice a week on every Tuesday and Friday. Students from different castes, creed and religions partake meals together along with the staff. When Gupta decided to set up a state-of-the-art nursing school here with the goal of improving the healthcare system of the area, the staff sought Hillary Clinton's permission to name the school after her. The former First Lady was extremely impressed with the plans for empowering Indian youth, especially women from disadvantaged backgrounds.
You see, an institute was to come up, and it was to be an institute with difference. And I would say it was an honor on behalf of Vinod Gupta Charitable Foundation to have gone and met the lady. At that time she was the senator at her Washington DC place, and that's where a presentation was made that there is an educational institute which would be coming up in Rampur Maniharan, and it would be educating the rural masses. So with that idea, a presentation was given to her, the type of courses that would run and the kind of state-of-art facilities would be there, the laboratories, the computer center, the library, the classrooms, and how the faculty would be invited from different parts of the country to be a part of that change which would revolutionize the society, and the rural masses would benefit. The entire project presentation was done, and at the end when she was asked that, ma'am, do we have the honor of having the name of the institute after you, she very kindly consented and said one thing, that education means so much, and that is where the first step towards building of Hillary Clinton Nursing School started.
And the Hillary Clinton Nursing School is now a well-equipped institution, supported by experienced faculty from all over India. It attracts students not only from nearby villages, but from all states of India, and offers a diploma course in general nursing and midwifery.
In the physical examination, after the nose there is lips. Okay, lips, normal color of lips, you can see the pink color. Okay, if there is yellow color, you can come to know that yellow color is indicator of the jaundice. Okay, indicates jaundice.
Hillary Clinton School of Nursing was started in the year 2012. At present, we have one courses, that is general nursing and midwifery. The duration is the course of 3.5 years. At present, we have 2 batches, general nursing first year and general nursing second year. Each batch we have 40 students.
I was not happy with the intake of just 40 students. I think we can easily educate 100 girls every year, and it's a 3-year program. Now we would like to introduce more healthcare related education, like medical technology, operating MRI machines, operating X-ray machines, testing, blood testing. These are some of the fields which are highly sought after. There's a huge demand for those, and they naturally lend towards employing women. So if we can educate more women, the village women, into these technologies, they will have no problem finding damn good jobs now.
The Hillary Clinton Women's Center provides vocational guidance to women and also provides assistance in marketing their products, thereby enabling them to achieve economic independence.
Yes, sir. It was starting 4 December 2011, and it was starting with the 5 members, and nowadays we are having 174 members, and they are learning different activities here.
तो ये हमने ये पेपर ज्वेलरी बनाई है और ये शादी का कार्ड है, वेस्ट मटेरियल ये हमने उससे बनाया है गत्ते से, जो कागज़ की ज्वेलरी बनाई है हमने।
जो वेस्ट कपड़ा बचा हुआ था उससे बनाया है, ये साड़ी सूट और ये सभी। और यहाँ पर हमें वेस्ट मटेरियल से सामान बनाना और सिखाया जाता है, जिससे हमारा पैसा भी बचता है और हमें बहुत फ़ायदा होता है।
We grew up in a village, and I was not born into any wealth. We didn't have any money, but the village provided the education, and I kind of feel indebted to all those teachers who were making $40 a month, and they gave a great education to us. And as a result of the education, then getting into IIT and getting education in USA, it allowed thousands of us to have a better living and be able to earn substantial wealth. But at that time, then you say, okay, if you have this wealth, what do you do with this? If we give it to our kids, they're going to waste it. It's best to invest it back into our community, back into our villages, back into our students or the kids, so they can do the same thing. So if we have this philosophy of learn, earn, and return, and you keep doing it, we'll leave this world a better place.
Bhavna Sachdeva, a master's degree holder in computer applications from the institute, secured a teaching job at university after she married and moved out of the district. But she returned when she heard that the science department was looking for someone to head it. She was inspired by Gupta's philosophy, learn, earn and return.
मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी एक स्लोगन के बारे में मिस्टर विनोद गुप्ता जी के। उन्होंने लिखा है लर्न, अर्न एंड रिटर्न। तो मुझे भी कुछ ऐसा ही फील हुआ कि जिस इंस्टीट्यूट ने मुझे इतना कुछ दिया है, एक्चुअली रामपुर में अगर ये इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं होता तो मैं भी हर नॉर्मल लड़की की तरह एक ग्रेजुएशन करके मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मेरी शादी कर दी होती, लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे फर्दर स्टडीज़ के लिए भेजा, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कराया, MCA कराया। फिर मुझे लगा कि मुझे भी अपने कॉलेज को कुछ रिटर्न करना चाहिए।
1 in every 3 women in 18-year-old Nazia Pervin's district of Saharanpur cannot read or write. The statistic among women in this impoverished conservative Muslim community in the Pirzada Kalyan area of the district to which she belongs is even worse. But Nazia is different. She is a high school graduate and is pursuing an undergraduate degree in commerce and a specialized course in information technology.
मैं जैसे कि कॉमर्स लाइन में हूँ, तो मैं क्योंकि बैंकिंग में मतलब जॉब चाहती हूँ, तो इसलिए मुझे कंप्यूटर की नॉलेज नेसेसरी थी उसमें, तो इसलिए मैंने ओ लेवल में एडमिशन लिया। और मुझे लगता है कि इसको, क्योंकि अभी तो मेरी स्टार्टिंग है, स्टार्टिंग में मुझे इतने अच्छे अच्छे सरप्राइज़ मिल रहे हैं और बहुत कुछ मतलब मिल रहा है, एक स्टेज मिला मुझे अपना टैलेंट शो करने का, तो इसलिए मुझे क्योंकि अभी शुरू से लग रहा है, तो आई होप कि मेरा फ्यूचर बहुत ब्राइट होगा।
Her sister, Shazia, a postgraduate student of information technology, teaches young Muslim boys and girls, which is unusual in this part of the country.
मैं अपना फ्यूचर बिल्कुल ब्राइट देख रही हूँ और मतलब आगे आने वाले टाइम में और इससे भी ज़्यादा तरक्की होगी, मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है। सबसे पहले खुदा के ऊपर उम्मीद है, फिर अपने पेरेंट्स के ऊपर और जितने मेरे मतलब मुझे सहयोग करने वाले हैं। स्पेशली पॉलिटेक्निक ने एक नई लाइन दी है मुझे।
Their father, Muhammad Anis, educated his daughters despite pressure from neighbors discouraging him from doing so.
देखिए, हमने कोई पाबंदी नहीं की इनके साथ, क्योंकि जैसे कि समाज में है, हमने समाज से वो करके, मैंने कहा समाज कोई कुछ नहीं देता किसी को, यह तो पाबंदियाँ लगाता है, तो हमने कोई पाबंदी नहीं की। हमने लड़कों की तरह समझा इन्हें। पॉलिटेक्निक का इन्होंने कहा है शाजिया ने, तो हमने इसे इजाज़त दी, बेटी तरक्की करो। जो उसमें रहेगा कि समाज क्या कहेगा या फला क्या कहेगा, वो कभी कामयाब नहीं होगा। अगर कामयाबी हासिल करनी है तो समाज से ऊपर उठकर कामयाबी हासिल करो।
Akanksha Saini leads a hard life. However, every morning she heads off to the institute with dreams in her eyes. Dreams of achieving economic freedom.
Like me, I want to become a software engineer because this is my aim, and मैं स्टार्टिंग से ही बाहर जॉब करना चाहती हूँ, यहाँ से निकलना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं जैसे अपनी फैमिली में सबको देखती हूँ, मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर में काफ़ी हैं, मेरे भैया मेरी दी जो जॉब करते हैं वो भी सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हैं, IT कंपनी में हैं, एंड मैं भी उनकी तरह सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनना चाहती हूँ, अच्छी सैलरी लेना चाहती हूँ। दैट्स वे।
The Hillary Clinton Nursing School has opened new opportunities for young girls like Shaheen, who is from the Mahal Nai Basti area in India's booming $80 billion hospital services industry, as she helps her mother prepare a modest dinner for the family. She has dreams of a job in a big city hospital and being able to support her family financially.
मुझे नर्सिंग करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। जो पेशेंट होते हैं उनकी सेवा करना। मेरे पापा चाहते हैं कि तुम नर्स बनो और जो हमारी फैमिली में जो प्रॉब्लम हो वो भी सॉल्व हो जाए। और मेरे पापा कहते हैं जो मेरी बहन है 2 वो भी नर्सिंग करेंगी, नर्सिंग कोर्स ही करेंगी।
These 3 educational institutes have brought about a tremendous change in the academic and social structure of the village. They have opened paths to previously unavailable employment opportunities with national and multinational companies. Families which earlier neglected to educate their girls are today planning and ensuring they will receive a quality education. Women now have the opportunity to secure an education and obtain financial independence. They are now optimistic and confident of their future.